3 ways to network as a finance student. Number 1. Join finance clubs and organization. Joining finance clubs and organization at your college or university can provide you with opportunities to network with other finance students, alumni and industry professionals. Attend club events, seminars and conferences to meet and connect with professionals into this finance industry. Number 2. Attend industry events and conferences. Attend industry events and conferences such as those hosted by the CFA Institute or the Financial Planning Association. These events provide a platform to network with professionals and learn about industry trends and various career opportunities. Number 3. Utilize LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very powerful networking tool, and as a finance student, you should take the maximum advantage of it. Create a professional LinkedIn profile, connect with finance professionals, alumni, your classmates, engage in discussion, join community, insightful question, and showcase your skills and knowledge by sharing relevant articles and insights. Additionally, join finance-related groups on LinkedIn to expand your network and stay updated with the industry trends. Stay up to date on finance tips and learnings by following me.